What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Polygon Matic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that from the investor standpoint we were at very good point to accumulate the position, and I've told you that you could accumulate your position from this very range and on every daily red candle, and technically you might be up from this point to the current price for more than 20% and to its highest point when we hit this range of resistance of about 28.79%. And I also told you right here that we were in the middle of nowhere from the swing traders standpoint, because we didn't break any of the supports or resistances right here, this range and this range, and we didn't establish any higher highs or higher lows yet. And I've told you that we have to wait until we will see some confirmation, and the confirmation might be the higher lows and higher highs on a smaller scale, and we have this price action at this very range. And I also told you that this asset is following the Bitcoin price chart very carefully, and that's why you have to take a closer look on Bitcoin. And I will show you how we can benefit from this price action in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let's start with the bigger picture for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at $2.12 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.27% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, for now, on a 24 hours period, Bitcoin, Ethereum and BNB are in red, but on a 7 days period they are in green, and Bitcoin and Ethereum are double digits in green. Bitcoin gained about 10.7% and Ethereum gained about 13.86%. And definitely this movement to the upside was very significant for the entire industry. And I will show you in my technical analysis that most likely we just started the new medium-term bull trend. And let's continue with the Polygon numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $12.6 billion. It is a decrease of 3.3% during 24 hours period. And the volume, total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $851.12 million. It is a small increase for 0.11%. And let me show you the recent news related to this asset. First of all, let me show you that on March the 30th we have this article that is titled "Indian Maharashtra State Pivots to Polygon for Digital Caste Certificates." And let me quote you this. The government of Maharashtra, one of the most industrialized state in India, has issued 65,000 digital caste certificates based on the Polygon blockchain technology. I am excited to announce that the government of Maharashtra has set a new global precedent for Web3 adoption for on-chain e-governance, wrote Subham Gupta, an assistant collector and project officer of the government of Maharashtra, in a LinkedIn post, adding, "For the first time in India, Gadchiroli district will issue caste certificates to its citizens that are anchored on an open, permissionless blockchain, verifiable within a matter of a few seconds." And definitely this adoption is the next step of mass adoption of this type of documents and the mass adoption of Web 3.0 in general. And definitely the fact that this first step was made on the Polygon's blockchain shows the huge upside potential for this asset, and definitely it might be very indicative for its future. So, and let me show you the Mikhailo Bjelik official Twitter page. For now, let me show you that he posted on March 30th, just several hours ago, this tweet. And it is a retweet from Polygon Matic. And he added, "This is a big one. We are announcing Polygon ID, the first ZK-based self-sovereign identity. Polygon aims to become the de facto platform for Web3 development, and self-sovereign identity protocol is certainly one of the necessary components of this vision. And let me quote you the original tweet from Polygon Matic. Keep personal details personal. Introducing Polygon ID, a self-sovereign identity solution powered by ZK cryptography. Complete user privacy, scalable on-chain verification, open attestation ecosystem. And definitely it is very good news by itself. On top of that, this news improves its scalability. And let me show you that for now. Let me quote you this tweet. It is a retweet from Ryan Watt, and he posted, "It's great to see the progress of Matic surpassing 1 million weekly active addresses. We are continuing to grow our DApp ecosystem here at Polygon across a variety of existing projects." And let me show you the numbers of Polygon. And the current state of Polygon is following. 1.5 billion total transactions, 3 million plus daily transactions, 400,000 plus daily active addresses, 7,000 plus DApps per January data, 11,000 plus developer teams per January data, 139 million total unique addresses, and 1.1 million total OpenSea users. So I have to say that Polygon network is really huge right now, and it is still expanding, and definitely it will lead to much higher adoption of their native token, and this will lead to much higher price of Polygon. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that right here, if I add to this price chart the Bitcoin price action, as you can see, we have very good confluence in between these two assets. This means Polygon is following the Bitcoin price chart, and that's why we have to take a closer look on Bitcoin price action by itself. And let me switch to Bitcoin price action. So, I made my previous video on Polygon when Bitcoin bounced up from this range of support, and it is the range of support that I drew previously. It is basically, let me switch to 4 hours time frame. It is the lower border of the channel on a bigger picture. And we bounced back several times from it, and the last bounce was really amazing, because I've told you that we should break swing highs of this price action, and the most important swing high is at the range of roughly $45,000, because it is the swing high of February the 10th, and with this breakout we established officially higher highs, and we already established higher lows. This means most likely we will have a next leg to the upside when we retest, or probably we might even break this range to the downside, but then eventually we should go even higher. On top of that, let me show you that if I switch to weekly time frame, and if I turn on the indicators right here on MACD indicator, we just started to tick to the upside, and we had this crossover of these two lines. This means most likely we will see next major bull run that will last at least by the end of this year, and that is why I think by the end of this year we will see the all-time high for Bitcoin, and definitely we might see all-time highs for other currencies. And let's switch again to Matic price action, and let me show you the latest movement in details. So right here, as you can see from its recent bottom, we clearly have 5-wave structure, and we have, this is our first wave, and we have 5 waves inside it. We have a second wave right here, then 5 waves inside the third wave, again retracement to the fourth one, and 5 waves with the truncated fifth wave probably right here. And from this range we started to see the retracement, and this retracement might hit following levels. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, we already hit the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement range, and we have not more than 10% probability of trend reversal from this range. That's why most likely we'll hit lower ranges in order to accumulate more steam and hit higher targets. And these ranges are following. It is 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of $1.58, then 0.5 at $1.53, and the golden pocket range at the price points in between $1.47 and $1.48. And these ranges might be your accumulation points if you want to enter your swing trade or long-term holder position. And definitely we shouldn't break this previous swing low, because if we'll break it, the range of $1.33, it will invalidate the entire movement to the upside. But I don't think that it might happen, because Bitcoin for now is very bullish, and we have to keep an eye on Bitcoin price action, because for now it is the main driver for Polygon price. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stay